RV mattress is a term that gets thrown around a lot, but most factory camper beds are just a thin foam with very little support, leaving you sore after long days on the road. The Silk Snow Canadian RV mattress aims to change that by bringing residential style memory foam comfort, antimicrobial protection, and a more durable all foam design to the RV market. Today, we're breaking down its washable cover, support system, motion isolation, and cooling performance to see if this RV short queen is actually worth the upgrade. Let's get into it. The Silk Snow Canadian RV mattress is a 10-inch all-foam mattress built with a 3-layer system, focusing on hygiene, deep pressure relief, and a low-maintenance sleep surface inside tight camper spaces. 360-degree zip-off antimicrobial cover. A lightweight, ultra practical stretch knit cover infused with a silver based antimicrobial treatment to prevent microbial growth and musty odors caused by RV condensation. The entire top half zips completely off, making it fully machine washable after dusty boondocking trips. Comfort layer 2 inches. Premium 2.5 pound high density gel memory foam. This heavy duty layer contours deeply to your shoulders and hips, drawing heat away from the body while providing initial pressure relief. Transition layer 2 inches. A transitional performance foam that acts as a buffer between the memory foam and the base. This helps smooth out the feel, prevents you from bottoming out, and actively helps reduce motion transfer inside moving camper environments. Support layer 6 inches. A robust, high density polyurethane support core that provides structure, durability, and overall stability to the mattress, ensuring your spine stays aligned even on uneven camping pads. Performance analysis. Temperature control, 8.2 out of 10. For an all foam RV mattress, the Silk and Snow handles heat well. Its gel memory foam helps disperse warmth and maintain a more neutral sleeping temperature, though it still won't be as breathable as a hybrid mattress. Motion isolation, 9.4 out of 10. This is where the Silk and Snow RV model performs especially well. Its dense foam construction helps minimize motion transfer, which is useful in compact RV spaces where movement can easily disturb a partner. Edge support, 8.1 out of 10. In the all foam RV category, perimeter stability can be tricky. You'll notice some compression when sitting on the edge, but the dense base foam still provides stable support while sleeping. Firmness and feel. The Silk and Snow RV mattress lands as a balanced medium firm, hitting a 6.5 out of 10 on the firmness scale. It's engineered to be a versatile crowd pleaser for the road. It avoids that quicksand trapped memory foam feeling, and you get a soft initial contouring that cushions your joints, followed by a sturdy, supportive pushback from the base foam. The high density foam is great for side sleepers, offering sufficient contouring that keeps the shoulders and hips aligned without hitting hard pressure points. For back sleepers, this is a perfect match. The foam fills the lumbar gap effectively and keeps the spine neutral after long hours behind the wheel. For stomach sleepers, the 6-inch support core is rigid enough to prevent your hips from sagging into the mattress, which is crucial for preventing lower back pain. For combination sleepers, because the transitional foam prevents excessive sinking, switching positions on this mattress requires very little effort. Weight considerations. Under 130 pounds, you'll find this bed feels slightly firmer, closer to a 7 out of 10. 130 to 230 pounds, you'll experience the true intended 6.5 medium firm feel with optimal support. Over 230 pounds, while the high density foam is highly durable, heavier sleepers will sink into the comfort layers. If you're over 250 pounds, that 10-inch profile will still support you, but you may experience less edge stability. Price and value. For the RV Short Queen, the Silk and Snow retails around $750. It ships free to your door, compressed in a box, making it incredibly easy to maneuver through narrower camper doors. It is backed by a 365-night sleep trial and a 15-year warranty, which is exceptionally long for a mattress designated specifically for recreational vehicles. While it doesn't include a free bedding bundle, the lower base price for a high-density RV mattress makes it a massive value play. So, the Silk and Snow RV versus a standard factory RV mattress. The main difference here is the material longevity. Most factory installed camper beds use low density polyfoam that breaks down, softens, and sags after a single season of use. The Silk and Snow RV replaces that with residential grade memory foam, meaning it is designed for long term durability of seasonal temperature shifts and heavy road travel without losing its shape. Pros and cons. The pros: washable zip cover. The 360-degree zipper makes cleaning dirt and trail dust incredibly simple. Antimicrobial protection. Silver infused tech prevents mold, mildew, and musty camper odors. Elite motion isolation. A 9.4 score stops trail movement from waking up your partner. Perfect RV dimensions. The 10-inch height maintains overhead bunk headroom while ensuring you never feel the plywood base. The cons: edge sitting. Soft perimeter foam means the edges will compress under direct sitting weight. All foam heat. Hotter sleepers may still prefer a coil hybrid for maximum ventilation. With a 9.4 out of 10 for motion isolation and a premium high density foam build, it brings true residential comfort straight to your campsite. It's an ideal choice for full timers, weekend warriors, or anyone looking to replace a worn out factory short queen with a clean, antimicrobial sleep surface. If you want a dependable, Canadian made bed that fits your trailer perfectly and helps resist odor and bacterial buildup common in humid RV environments, Silk and Snow Canadian RV Mattress is a major upgrade over many factory RV mattresses for anyone tired of roughing it on the road. I've left a link to the best current deals for the Silk and Snow RV mattress in the description below. If this review was helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the best Canadian mattresses. Thanks for watching, safe travels on the road, and I'll see ya in the next one.